Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the lowest NordVPN price in 2025, I've got you covered. Today I'll share the latest NordVPN coupon codes and promo discounts so you can lock in your subscription at the absolute lowest cost. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the maximum savings. NordVPN is one of the most popular VPNs worldwide, with thousands of servers, blazing fast speeds, advanced threat protection, and the ability to unblock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just securing your data on public Wi-Fi, NordVPN has you covered. Here are the lowest price coupon codes you can try in 2025. Lowest 83, save up to 83% off 2-year plans. Nord for free, get 4 months free with long-term subscriptions. VPN 2025, flat 20% off for new users. Save 15, extra 15% off annual subscriptions. Bundle 30, 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or Nord Locker. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your plan, apply one of these coupon codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the lowest cost, try another. One of these will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. NordVPN coupon codes like this won't last forever. And grabbing the lowest deal now means you'll save for years to come. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and secure your online privacy today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.